Good day everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video I want to correct something from the first video whereby I use the word Ponzi scheme and pyramid scheme interchangeably. Actually they are not the same. Yes, Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes, they are both investment scams, but they operate as in their modus operandi is different. The way they recruit or the way they gain customers is different. So what I want to do in this video is to use this video to explain how each of them works. So let's get to it. I'm going to use the board. So I'll start with the Ponzi schemes. So Ponzi schemes, which is named after Ponzi in the popular investment scam in the 1920s. So a Ponzi scheme is you have the company that has investment products that are too good to be true. They are scams, and the way they operate is they collect money from non-suspecting investors, and they pay early adopters, and those that come subsequently they collect the money and they move. So what happens is the company gets investors. So let's say Alice is your neighbor and she got to hear about company A early. Maybe it's a Wonder Bank or there's something, one beautiful story they are telling, and it's giving 30% per month. And Alice dropped 1 million and got 1.3 million. Dropped 1 million February 1, and February 28th received 1.3 million. And maybe you are discussing investment with Alice and she now say, hey, wait a minute, there's this company that's giving 30% returns on investment. I dropped 1 million and I got 1.3. I now went back with 2 million and I got 2.6. I'm thinking of taking 5 million. And you say, wait a minute, can I? Why not? So you join Alice. Meanwhile, it's not only Alice that is spreading the good news. So many people are spreading the good news, and the amount of money coming in is increasing exponentially because of the promise of reward. And when they now aggregate this money, they leave town, and Alice and co are left with the bag. So that is a Ponzi scheme. So the next one we will look at is a pyramid scheme. So the next one we'll look at is pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme. Okay. So the pyramid scheme is actually a more popular version, and it's based on multi-level marketing or network marketing. And this is where you have hierarchy. So you have Alice. Alice brings in 3 people. And she gets commission for bringing in 3 people. So brings in, so this is Alice, brings in Tom, brings in Mia, and brings in Tony. And then the work of Tom, Mia, and Tony is to go and bring 3 people each. So Tom goes out and brings 3 more people. Mia does the same. Tony does the same. That's essentially how pyramid schemes work. So it depends on an increasing number of people coming in, because Alice profits, gain, is paid from the money Tom, Mia, and Tony pays. And then Tom, Mia, and Tony bring in more people. They also, like Alice, they get money And Alice, because Alice is the upline, still gets money, and they call it passive income. And that is the fallacy of passive income. These guys have to be active to keep bringing in people so that the so-called passive income will keep coming. So Alice will get a cut from what Tony is doing. You have another layer. So you start with 1, and now 3, you get to 9. The next level is 27. The next level is 91. The next level is 91 times 3. So it keeps expanding and expanding. That means that for this pyramid to stand, it has to keep expanding. And like I shared in the first video, the challenge is that populations are finite. Maybe it's a community like a university campus or a residential estate or a church or name it. It gets to a point where everybody has heard about this wonderful opportunity. And there are those that have made up their mind they are not going to take part in it. And those who are going to allow themselves to be persuaded have already gone in. So the problem now comes in when the people further down the line are having issues recruiting new people because the number of recruits are going down. So when the number of recruits start to dry up, the pyramid starts to collapse. And the guys at the top, several levels high, they are watching the numbers, they are looking at the data, they are seeing the rate of sign-up. When the rate of sign-up starts to slow down, they know it's time to leave town. So they will make some payments to keep hope alive, pack up their bags, take the rest of the money, and they leave town. So what's going to happen is that the front office will start giving excuses. Sorry, we are having some challenges. We are upgrading our network. Our site is down. We are doing some maintenance work. Sorry, you'll be paid. Sorry for the delay. They'll be sending out emails. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. And as you are receiving the sorry for the delay, the promoters of the scam have left town. And when they are free and clear, then one day you come. No more sorry for delay. The company has folded up. And then the cycle repeats itself in the next 2 or 3 years. And the bit goes on. So in the next video, we are going to look at the red flags and how you can avoid them.